10 children, adults. We took the car to work and for the action that we hold for large families. And we will do dry cleaning for this family for free. And not my own children. Do you drive them all in this car? We want to clean it for you. We looked at it professionally. There are 3 days of work here. I'm already making 2 flights on Monday at 8 in the morning. The oldest daughter is now 14 years old. And you said we wouldn't find a car like this. Hello? We will do it for your big family. Year of release. After this car will visit us, you will like it. In the process of working with this old Honda, the quality of its interior is impressive. All materials are made at a high level. They are cleaned and become as new. What do you think about old Japanese cars and German cars? Are they worse or better? When we took this car, we didn't think it would take so much effort. During the work, we realized that this is not easy. Well, the more interesting it will be to look at the result that we get. Hey guys, write in the comment, have you even seen such a horror? Tell us if you ever lived in such a minibus.
Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up, feeling like I'm Curry.
I think it was like this only after the factory. Yes, it really changed the color. Compared to what it was, the difference is huge. On the floor, you can throw away the dirt with a shovel. She used to go to the village before. Here everything was transported, and sand and grain. Yes, we raked out a lot of things, there and grain, when the floors were removed. Yes, the work is of course global. The car is old and the quality of the materials is very cool. Now there are no such cars. We were happy to serve you. Guys, the kid will be happy. This is the most important thing. See you later. Thank you guys so much. At the moment you are the second person in the city to help me. Development of your business. Put likes. Write comments. Your good will come back to you.